Does it have to be this way? Do you have to constantly lubricate your bearings in your application? No, there is a solution for it. We have a one-to-one exchangeable solution for you, our Igus igubal JEM bearing. Our JEM match international UC bearing sizes, no need for additional lubrication, requires no maintenance, and reduce overall costs. Now, let me show you how to perform one-to-one exchange of our igubal JEM bearing. As you can see, our igubal JEM bearing runs smoothly in food processing and ceramic industry. They are reliable and effective in the glove manufacturing process in the bushing line. Do you wish to have more information? Please click on the following link. Feel free to request for a sample or consultation. Thank you.